In this video, I want to show you how you can change your Paystack withdrawal account. But first, I gotta put my shades on. And now, let's begin. So, if you do not know Paystack, Paystack is basically a website like Stripe for Africans and for Nigerians. And what we do with Paystack is that we use Paystack to receive payments from basically anywhere in the world online. So first you need to have a Paystack account that is verified. So I have one Paystack account here and I want to change the account, like the withdrawal account. The way Paystack works is this. So let's say you have a digital product you want to sell or even a physical product. Paystack is going to ensure that the people who want to pay you can pay you, and they pay you either through card, bank transfers and all of that. Then Paystack will now send you the money directly to your bank account. So that's what we want to do here. We want to change the bank account that Paystack will send the money into. So if you come into your Paystack account, again, this is one that I have. If you come to the settings here, so you want to come here where we have account. So if you come to account, this is where you see your Naira account and your USD account. So your USD account is supposed to be how you can withdraw foreign currencies, but that is almost useless now because Paystack wouldn't allow you do that, because CBN wouldn't allow Paystack allow you do that, according to what Paystack told me. But here we want to change our Nigerian bank account, which is the NGN Naira account here. So here I currently have Fidelity Bank here, but I do not enjoy the services of Fidelity Bank anymore, especially their mobile app services. So I want to change it now. So in your case, you would see something like add an account, like here. But because I already have an account, I'm just going to change it. So I come here, I click on change, and here we can only add a personal bank because this is a personal account. So if you create a business account, you need to add a business account. All right, good. So here you want to select the bank. So I want to actually change to another bank, which should be Providus Bank. So you come here, you want to select the different banks that we have in Nigeria or the one that you want to use. So I want to use Providus Bank in this case. And here, this is where you put the account number. So if you put the account number, it's just going to pick out the account name and we can proceed. So I need to get my account number. So I've added my bank account here and it instantly brings out my name. So I can just click on save, and that should be all that we need to do to add our bank account to Paystack. So as you can see, the account has been changed successfully, and this is now the account from Providus Bank. So this is how you can change your Paystack withdrawal account, or how you can add a withdrawal account to your Paystack account. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can just go to Paystack and ask them. And I'll see you. My name is Kunwal. Bye-bye.